The Genesis Intelligent Assistant mobile app offers Surround View Monitor, which allows you to view your vehicle's surroundings from multiple external camera angles. Be sure to visit the Apple iOS or Google Play app stores to ensure you have the latest update to the Genesis Intelligent Assistant mobile app. To use the app, you must have an active Genesis Connected Services account. All new Genesis vehicles can be enrolled in GCS by a Genesis retailer or on owners.genesis.com and then activated in-car. After using your GCS account to log into the Genesis Intelligent Assistant app, you'll be able to access a variety of remote functions. To access Surround View Monitor, press Utilities and then Surround View Monitor. Start by pressing Request Images. And then, when ready, press Surround View Monitor Archive to see the requested images. In the Surround View Monitor Archive, you can view a list of previous requested images taken from multiple angles and view a record of when they were taken. Photos in the Surround View Monitor Archive can be saved onto your mobile device and viewed in your phone's native camera roll. For further information, you can also access the vehicle locator by pressing Locate Vehicle in Maps. Note that the Surround View Monitor function depends on factors such as cellular and GPS coverage, and requested images may take up to several minutes to appear in the archive. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.